Hey guys, welcome back to Take Pragma, and today's video is going to be an awesome one. Most of the people are waiting for this video to come out. That is, which app is the best app for sharing media files or sharing any type of files? Which app is the fastest app? What are their features and how can I use them to, simplify my life? Most of the people fight just to win the which app is better, like ShareIt is better or Xender is better. Most of the people don't know the apps excluding ShareIt or Xender for that matter. Like let's just say most of the people don't know Zapier. Zapier is a very good app. Actually, I love it. It just started out like 6 or 1 year before, but it has already catched up to Xender and ShareIt, and it's actually better than Xender and ShareIt. Today, I'm going to show you by giving you proof which app is the best app. So let's get started. Both all the three apps support group sharing nowadays. ShareIt didn't possess it like 1 or 2 months before, but in the new update it has now the group share like Xender as well as Zapier. Also, ShareIt and Zapier supports group chat, which Xender doesn't. Also, and that's it. All the apps can share it on computer. Xender didn't possess it, but like 1 or 2 weeks before it got an update, and now it can share apps on computer also. So all the apps are on equal features, except Zapier can have a great means it's the best chatting feature I have ever seen in a file sharing app. So we will just compare the speeds of their sharing, and then I will just give my verdict. So let's get started. For starters, let's just open ShareIt. Yeah, here is the new update, that is group share. You can see here it's like same like Xender, but in Xender you can chat, but in ShareIt you can. So that's it. So I will just send the file. Let's send yeah, this movie 86, and we will just compare the speed. I will start the timer and just compare the time at which it the movie is shared, and we will just switch the app. Also the screen resolution of this Redmi Note 4 is not looking good. It's just like that my USB cable is not that good. After some time it might get resolved, so just bear with me for a little while, and I'm just gonna do the fast forward thing now. Yeah, it's nearly done. Yes, 5 seconds, and it nearly took just about 2 minutes. As you can see, the speed was of about 7 Mbps for sharing the file. That's good actually for sharing files. Most of the apps don't even provide 3 Mbps type of speed for sharing files. So that's a plus point for shared. We will just send the same file via using a Xender as well as using Zapier. All the features are same, just Xender lacks group chatting. I will delete the file which I received on this mobile app so that I can just transfer it again. Xender. Let's try Xender. Also note the time ShareIt took, which is about 2.04 minutes for transferring a file of about 867 MB. So that's quite fast. Let's just compare send. No, no, no. Yeah, now it's connected. I will send the same file again. Which was it? Yeah, the BFG movie. It's quite good movie actually. Let's start the sharing. Reset time and yep, it's going. I will do the time lapsing thing again. Swing. Was just dancing from say 3.5 Mbps to 5.5 Mbps if you see the time lapse thing. So quite disappointed in Xender. But firstly, people use Xender just due to the group share thing. But now ShareIt supports that group share thing. Also, Xender didn't possess the ability to share files to computer till now. Actually, it now possesses, but ShareIt possessed it from the starting. So most of the people, you know, supported ShareIt for that reason. So quite disappointed. Yep. Let's try that another app which I told you about. Most of the people don't even know that's name, which is Zapier. It's just like 6 months or a year after it has been started, and most of the people don't even know about it. It's a quite good app. It has caught up to both of the main important sharing apps, which are Xender and ShareIt. Um, for transferring, you just have to go to video and yes, and it automatically creates the group, and then you will have to scan the QR code for for access for transferring. Yes, I'm scanning it now. Yes, after it has been connected, well, yes, again I will have to connect it. Zapier is quite good actually. It's just been 21 seconds and it has already done 25% of it. If this rate goes on, 100% will be done in 100 seconds. That's quite good. That's faster than ShareIt. I like that. Also in Zapier, as I told before, you can chat with the person you're connected with it. You can also do it with ShareIt, but I like Zapier's features. Its interface is quite good. So if you are writing an exam and you want to help your mate, you can just do that. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yes. See, message has been shared. You can just chat with your friend without using internet, just on a Wi-Fi network, and maybe pass your exams. You can also share some small files. You can browse his camera via your phone and take his picture from that phone. That is a good feature. You can stream video stream, audio stream. You can file transfer, which is also quite nice. So we'll just go back and see the transfer. Yep, it's already been 80% and the time is just 1 minute 33 seconds. That are about 90 seconds. Yes, so it's quite good. Let's hope it finishes before ShareIt. Yes, it's done. So the same file which I used to share on ShareIt as well as from Xender was done faster. Sharing was done faster by using Zapier. Most of the people don't know Zapier. Zapier is quite a good app. Also, you can do chatting also, and You have direct access to File Explorer. So if you need to uninstall or delete a particular photo, like just say I need to delete this photo, so I had direct access to File Explorer and I can do that by accessing the Zapier folders. So no need to go back and forth and back and forth. So that's it. My final verdict is that Zapier is the better version of sharing files than ShareIt and Zendesk. Devices, any devices, it supports all the devices mostly. So that's quite good feature. So all the links for the computer version of Zapier, also computer version of ShareIt and Zender, also the mobile version of Zender, ShareIt, Zapier will be given in the description. No need to find it all in the Google Play or anything else. Also, we didn't reach our milestone, which was about 30 subscribers, but we will surely reach that milestone soon. So no need to worry. And for those people who like today's video, don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, do whatever you can. Also like my Facebook page, and that's it. Thank you.